No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
Hey guys, so I'm recording an unboxing of my AliPearl hair, or AliPearl hair, sorry, accent popping out. I'm just doing a quick unboxing, showing you guys the hair I received. I received the hair yesterday, which was Monday, and I'm just doing a quick unboxing before I get my install on Thursday. I received 5 bundles of 2 inches, 120, no, 222s, 220s, and 118. Bodywave, and it came looking like this. I received it via DHL. It came pretty fast. The day that I ordered it is the day they shipped it out, later on that day. So I'm just gonna take one of them out of the packaging. So this is how it came, and it tells you the length at the top, which was 22 inches. You can see it. And this is how the hair looks, as you guys can see it. And I hopefully you guys can see. And this is how it looks. And the hair it's pretty thick. It doesn't feel thin at all. It's pretty full. It does have a lot of flyaways. I kind of did look at it already, as you can see it. Hopefully you guys can see it. But yeah. And this is the hair. As you can see. And then it did come with their tags on it that says AliPearl hair. And then of course it says where you can scan their YouTube. And then it says follow at AliPearl hair, win free hair every month. And then this is the bundle, if you guys could see that. And then here is the hair. I hope you guys can see this. And then these are the ends of the hair. So I just wanted to come on here and do a quick unboxing before I do my install, which is, like I said, on Thursday. Today is Tuesday. I did just wanted to show you guys a quick unboxing of the hair. I will dye this hair 1B because this is a natural, 2 natural color. I'm gonna dye 1B, and I'll show you guys my initial review once I actually get the hair installed. No, I do not have a closure or anything. I'm gonna have my leave out. I did not want a closure or anything like that. The hair does seem true to length, but yeah. Shipping, like I said, I ordered this hair last, I think, Friday or Saturday, if I'm not mistaken, and I received it, no, I think Friday. And I received this hair Monday. So it was either Thursday or Friday. And I received this hair on Monday. But yeah, this hair is full. It feels full. It doesn't feel thin or anything. Like I said, there is a lot of flyaways. So hopefully once I install it, it feels pretty good. But the bundles seem pretty okay. You can see it. But yeah. And then this is the 18-inch, if you guys could tell. So yeah. I'll be back, as I said, with my install. And I'll let you guys know my first impressions of the hair and how I'm liking it, and if it was shedding, if there was any tangling. I'll show you guys. I'll let you guys know that too, how the hair reacted to me just dyeing it. I'm only going to use a box dye because I'm only dyeing it just a 1B color so it can match my natural hair color. And that's all. I'll see you guys in my next video.